Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's Thursday, March 7th, very cloudy with a high chance of rain here in Southwest Florida. Today, I'm going to do my very last harvest of brassicas and I'll bring you along. Okay, here we are with my shards and we're going to go ahead and clip from the bottom here. And we're going to do this one as well. And this one. Now, we have some turnips here, but they are nowhere close to being ready, so I'm just going to pull them up. We also have a Chinese cabbage. While Chinese cabbage is nowhere as big as it would normally get, we're going to go ahead and pull it up or cut it as well. This is my megaton cabbage, and while it's not overly huge as far as the head, the plant itself is very big. And we're going to cut it. Have water in it. We're going to pull off some of the leaves, try to clean it up a little bit. Okay. Get rid of this one as well. And here we go. This is one of the bigger plants, cabbage plants that I've ever grown, even though if the head itself isn't very big. Okay, this is another cabbage. The head itself is not hard at all, but we're going to go ahead and cut it as well. And here's the head. Let's clean it up a little bit. And here we go. Okay, last but not least, we have our Florida broadleaf mustard. And because it's raining, the leaves have dropped down some. But if you look, I'm holding it up. This is, I would say, about 5 times the size of my hand. Very, very, very large leaf, very, very big plant. And here we go. Very, very beautiful plant. Okay, we're looking at the final harvest of my brassicas. And it's a very, very beautiful harvest. I like it. The mustard, like I said, it's huge. Smells wonderful. The cabbage, big plant. The head itself here is nice. This is the Megaton. Now, when I get everything set up in North Florida, this is one of the varieties I want to grow, and I've been doing some studying it up on it. It actually can get anywhere from 7 to 10 pounds, and this makes me excited to try and grow it again to see if I can do that. All right. As always, we give the thanks to God for this bountiful harvest. Hey, these are my white onions. They're bulbing. And hopefully by this time next week, they'll be larger than what they are now. Next Thursday is my deadline to try to harvest these. So I'm hoping and praying they get a little bit bigger. My red onions or Creole onions, two of them are starting to bulb. And this one, I don't know what it's doing, but it looks like it's split. Not bulbing yet, so, but hopefully by next week they start to bulb. Either way, I'll be removing them. This one is starting to bulb a little bit. This is the store-bought onion that I had that I placed in here. It seems like there are 3 parts of it, but when I put it in the soil, it was only one. So I'm not exactly sure what this is doing, but we'll find out next week. Lastly, here is my onion green stalk, and I see that the top tier is bulbing, or some of them are bulbing. The other tiers, I'm not seeing too much bulbing, but they have a week to do some bulbing. Otherwise, next Thursday, they're out of here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel by myself. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification all bell and leave me a comment. I will reply. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this quick harvest. If you got anything out of the video, give me a thumbs up. As you can see, it's sprinkling a little bit, and you might be able to see the rain on my glasses. So I'm going to try to make this quick. If you're interested in any of the seeds that I used for the video, you can head over to my website. The address is listed in the description portion of the video. And this is actually kind of bittersweet for me. In the past 4 years, I've grown a lot of vegetables in this little area here. But I'm also looking forward to the future is to see what I can grow. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing.